Grand Canyon. The incredible natural attraction is one of the most visited places in the United States. Carved out by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon cuts deep into the landscape, creating dramatic cliff walls and ledges. Visitors standing on the rim of canyon can see down to the canyon floor a mile below and look out over the ridges and cliffs that run as far as the eye can see. The South Rim is the most visited section of Grand Canyon National Park, with a large visitor center, regularly bus service along the rim in the high season, and walkway that runs along the canyon with numerous viewing points of platform. The North Rim, which also has lookout areas, provides a different perspective. This section of the park has limited access from November to May due to snow and winter conditions. Niagara Falls. Situated along the Canada-US border, Niagara Falls is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. The water from Lake Erie flows into Lake Ontario over this massive waterfall, known for a great quantity of water that is constantly tumbling over the vertical drop. The amount of water going over the falls is actually reduced in winter when more water is used to produce hydroelectric power. Most visitors will not notice a difference. Niagara Falls is actually a set of three falls consisting of largest section known as Horseshoe Falls, a second section on the American side of the river known as American Falls, and a much thinner section located next to American Falls known as Bridal Falls. On clear days, the plume of mist rising from Niagara Falls can be seen from as far away as the CN Tower in downtown Toronto, Canada, on the opposite shore of Lake Ontario. Statue of Liberty. A universal symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty is America's most familiar icon and the largest statue in the world. Standing 152 feet in the New York Harbor, visitors can admire the statue from various points around the city, particularly Battery Park, or take a ferry ride to the statue. For people who plan to go out to the statue, options include grounds tickets, pedestal tickets, or crown tickets, which allow different levels of access to the site. Anyone who plans on going inside the Statue of Liberty is encouraged to make advance ticket reservation. White House. The White House is the official residence of President of United States, and on almost all tourist lists of things to see in Washington, this historic structure has been the home of every president except George Washington. It was originally built by James Houben in 1792, and after being burned down by British forces in 1814, was rebuilt in 1818. Tours of White House are free, but reservation must be made a minimum of 3 weeks in advance. Strict security rules are always in effect. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone National Park is a home to a huge ancient volcano which has resulted in dramatic landscape and awesome natural phenomena. Geysers and hot springs, along with incredible waterfall along the Yellowstone River, are just some of the attractions drawing in huge number of tourists each year. The park, the oldest national park in the USA, is also home to all kinds of wildlife with free roaming bison, bighorn sheep, antelope, black bears, and grizzly bears. Walt Disney World Resort. This mega amusement park in Orlando is top family attraction in the country and has been catering to both young and old for decades. Opened in 1971, Walt Disney World has managed to maintain its relevance and its allure for children and even many adults throughout the years. Walt Disney World Resort encompasses not only the various theme parks, it also includes water park, downtown Disney with shopping and theaters, and much more. From fine dining to golf, although many visitors plan to spend a few days here, it's possible to spend a week or longer if people want to take in all there is to see and do. Times Square. Bustling Times Square, famous for its flashing billboards, New Year's Eve countdown, and constant throngs of people, lies at the heart of Midtown Manhattan. This interaction is really about the energy one feels when standing on the corner as taxicabs rush by and lights flash overhead, rather than any individual site on a square. While it is an interesting place during the day, it is probably best seen at night to experience the full impact. Golden Gate Bridge, arching across San Francisco Bay, joining San Francisco and Marin County. The Golden Gate Bridge has been a California icon since it was built in 1930s. Contrasting with the blue water, the bridge's orangish red color is an aesthetic accent that brings a unique quality to the city. It also has a unique presence when it is shrouded in fog with just the peak of the main tower projecting through the low-lying cloud. The bridge is approximately 2 miles long and part of Hay 101 or SR1. Las Vegas Strip. Walking along the Las Vegas Strip, the main street leading through the city past the Megas resorts, is like strolling through an amusement park for adults. Recreations of New York skyline, the Eiffel Tower, the Canal of Venice, and many more foreign sights line this famous street. Beginning at one end with the Luxor Hotel, designed in a pyramid shape, a walk down the street will reveal an erupting volcano and dancing fountain, while inside the resorts are all kinds of oddities and entertainment. Many of the attractions in Las Vegas are sites such as this, which can be seen for free. Vegas is also famous for its show. World-famous singers looking to settle down turn to Las Vegas as a home base, where they perform regularly. Unique performing groups from magic to comedy and acrobatics can also be found here nightly. St. Louis Arch. This famous gateway to the west in St. Louis is both symbolic and eye-catching, rising above the city, gleaming in the midday sun and illuminated at night. The arch can be seen from miles away on the other side flat surroundings. It was built in early 1960s and stands in Jefferson National Expansion Memorial Park. Elevators offer transportation to the top of the arch where visitors are treated to great views out over the city and surroundings.